Today we are creating a cool duplication effect using the body outline clones effect. This adds glowing outline copies around your subject, giving your video a stylized motion echo feel, perfect for energetic scenes like dancing, sports, and action shots. Let's begin. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on your clip to select it. Now, go to the Effects button on the bottom toolbar. Next, tap Body Effects. Inside this section, head over to the Stroke tab. Here, look for an effect called Frame Scatter and tap to apply it. As soon as it's added, you'll see multiple glowing outline clones forming behind your subject, giving a dynamic visual trails effect. To refine it, tap on the effect again to open the adjustment controls. Speed controls how quickly the outline clones animate, increase for fast, energetic vibes, lower for smooth, subtle trails, range, adjusts how far the clones spread away from the main subject, higher values separate the outlines more dramatically. Color lets you choose the glow color for the outlines. Pick neon tones like red, purple, green, or blue to match the look of your edit. Play with these sliders to match your scene's mood. Bold outlines for dramatic action, or softer ones for dreamy visuals. Preview your clip to see the effect in motion, and that's it. You've successfully created the body outline clones effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile effects and editing tips.